laws of the land is one of the pillars of good governance. It is a requisite for growth and development and a key to fighting poverty in the country. The Aquino administration is determined to achieve such goals through good governance anchored on the rule of law. This report.
Can you think of any country in this world that has no existing law? If there is, it's quite difficult to imagine how people's lives run without the guidance of the system of rules that a particular country recognizes. In a country that is equipped with great number of laws, conflict, inconveniences, and turmoil still exist. What more if there is no presence of ruling that would safeguard everyone's right? Here in the Philippines, we would never ever run out of laws. But in every enacted law, its benefit can only be felt through strict implementation.
Hindi problema natin yung batas eh. In fact, ang dami nating batas. Pero when you say rule of law kasi, necessarily it includes yung implementation. And this is a question of political will. Kaya malaki yung responsibility sa executive. Hindi lang presidente ito, yung the entire department niya na ipatupad yan.
It's just so sad that simple laws seem to be ignored by many. What is prohibited, that is what people apparently wanted to do.
Kahit naman gusto ng Pangulo na ganito, yung nagpapatupad naman yung mga nasa syempre ang alam ng Pangulo natutupad yun. Pero pagdating na dun sa parang hindi naman, di ba?
Yung iba lang po siguro ang hindi naman sumusunod. Kasi syempre kahit naman gawin mo po yun, kung yung iba ayaw naman makiisa po, wala rin.
But under the Aquino administration, the public witnessed how serious the government is in carrying out the full force of law. From the experts themselves, they saw how the president fought with wrongdoers for him to show his will that no one is above the law.
Pero itong last 3 years, definitely may improvement. In the sense na yung political will ng presidente, I think clear yan sa maraming issue, including yung arrest at saka prosecution ng mga big fish, including the former president. Meant kay Chief Justice Corona, isang peer na din yun, na-sign. Ang ibig ko sabihin, nag-set ng example ng president dito. I think so. Wala namang indication na umatras sa kanyang daang natud or yung kanyang preds, lalo na sa anti-corruption issue.
From the very first day of his assumption to the presidency, the chief executive already expressed his intent to put an end to all irregularities, abuses, and various anomalies which he presently still is wholeheartedly doing. And amid his continuing efforts to toughen the implementation of the Philippine law, the president is decided to put a stop on the mentioned above mentality known as the wangwang attitude.
Ang mandato ninyo sa amin ay pagbabago. Isang malinaw na utos para ayusin ang gobyerno at lipunan mula sa pamahalang iilan lamang ang nakikinabang tungo sa isang pamahalaang kabutihan ng mamamayan ang pinangangalagaan.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.